Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight day.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to Digging Deep, and my apologies right off the back. It's been a little hectic here lately. I know it's been like a month since I put out my last video, so I've been slacking a little bit there. Been very busy with the tree work, guys. I just now slowed down a little bit. It's nice because I have so many things I need to do as far as sharpening saws and just I got a trailer full to unload out here and everything. It's just been a little hectic, and yeah, I'm glad to get a little break, but at the same time we got to keep the work flowing, guys. But what we have here today is my top handle saw here. I got about a month ago. It's a Stihl MS 194T. It's been a great little saw. I started out with two Neotechs, just on trimming jobs, removals, everything. And let me tell you something. I know some other guys I've read that have air leak problems with those things. I've been running the snot out of those, and a lot of times my part-time ground guy, he's been ripping, or I should say seasonal ground guy, he's been ripping and tearing with those things. And even though I stopped using them for the most part, I still get them out from time to time, and they just keep going. And actually they're not very bad saws for what they are. When you go to get in your bigger woods, bigger branches and stuff, you run into a little bit of lack of power. This here is definitely an upgrade in power. Also, what I wanted to do is speed the cut up a little bit with this 1/4 inch conversion kit from Ripsaw. This is not a sponsored video. This conversion kit I bought with my own money. Just wanted to throw that out there. But what we're going to do is compare the stock saw to the 1/4 inch pitch conversion kit today. I'll go out here and run the stock saw. We'll slap this kit on, see what it does in comparison to the stock saw. I may even shimmy up into a tulip tree out here, guys, and just give you my real input of swapping this all out here today. But it comes with the bar from Ripsaw, pretty gnarly bar there. Comes with the clutch bell sprocket here from Stihl. It's a Stihl OEM sprocket, no aftermarket junk, guys, so that's awesome. Props to Ripsaw for that. And these gnarly dogs right here, so they look pretty cool. As you know, these little plastic dogs don't do a whole lot, and I'm sure they'll wear out rather quickly. I do have a Stihl MS 200T cologne, which has been running pretty good. They come with these really aggressive dogs, and I did try that on that saw, and they're just too much, guys. A little bit too much bite there. And then it comes with 2/4 inch pitch Stihl chains here, guys, so that's really cool that it comes with a spare chain, a lot smaller chain to get down and through that wood a little faster, guys. But without further ado, let's warm this saw up. Let's get out here and make a few cuts, and then we're going to go ahead and swap everything on here. Got a look at the old girl running stock, and honestly it's been a good saw. I couldn't be more happy with it. Definitely faster in the cut. Now I'm comparing to a Neotech Chinese saw. I know, guys. It is what it is. Getting started, you can only afford what you can afford. But anyhow, yeah, so you know, it's been a pretty impressive saw, even off the shelf. Definitely faster in the cut than the Neotech. Definitely more torque, more low end out of this saw here, for sure. But the Neotechs, you get them zinging, they don't do too bad. And I know this video is not even, it's not anything to do with Neotech, and I keep bringing it up just as a comparison. It's kind of a shitty comparison, and I mean, if you ask me. But anyhow, let's get this Ripsaw conversion kit on here and see how she does, guys.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps,
Guys,
no
look at this thing.
plans.
Look how tiny that chain is. So cute. I mean, she looks mean now, I must say. I'm gonna fire it up, see what we think, do some comparisons, then we might shimmy up a tree, guys. It's starting to get really, really humid out here. I have to check to see if I even got a file to sharpen this little thing. I think we can tell there's an absolute difference. Yeah, definitely a difference, guys. Well, I'm liking it. I think we're gonna gear up, shimmy up a tree, guys. At least put some jeans on, pair of pants anyway, and we're gonna run SRT today to try out this 1/4" conversion on the Stihl. So I'm gonna get some pants on, and the humidity is really starting to kick in, but it's definitely like not even like 82, 83 degrees right now. It's just starting to get really humid really quick. But we do have a break in the heat. It's probably about 10-degree difference on average. Guys, here's the tulip tree here. I got 3 I'm taking out eventually, but this one's a pretty big one here. Definitely got up there and got a lot of them. Left with a few rigging branches to go. All right, guys, first cut. It looks as if we got a branch hung up there. This thing 100% cuts faster. I like it, dude. I really do. Be cognizant where your lanyard is always. I had a feeling it was going to do that. Back to my funny bone. Oh. So we're set up SRT. Let's see how we do here. Getting over an elbow injury, so left hand's kind of sketchy. This thing absolutely cuts better, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really do, guys. Pretty sweet. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Tell me that ain't affecting this tree. It's a old, big tulip here. It's just a funky grower, 100%. I'm probably gonna use these trees here eventually to get some of this big stuff out of here. So I am. So I throw that out there. Over this tree, there's no other way. It's not looking in the best shape anyway. So, but man, just look at this tulip. Some grow so straight, like this one over here, and don't get too crazy with the branches. And some just, I swear, they go all over the place. This thing's sweet, guys. I'm really liking this combo. Props to Ripsaw for throwing something like this together. It's pretty awesome. Now this is liable to shoot right back my way here. I can just see it happening. So I'm going to step out a little bit. Alright, this is just held on by this branch here. That's going to barber chair more than likely. I mean, this thing is just awesome, guys. 100% awesome. Need to working out branches and stuff. They're really damp and slippery right now. I'm a little sketchy, ain't gonna lie. It'll just kind of let the branch down. Just crazy. This bar is pretty freaking sweet, guys. Alright, I should get a deflection off this branch here a little bit. I'm thinking it's not out there too far. Tulip poplar is known for barber chairing, and I didn't want to be like having my lanyard too close, so I got it back against the stem pretty good. I don't think it should split that far and pull me down, but this branch is probably definitely 150 to 300 pound if I were to guess in total weight. So we're gonna try to come out here on it. So, all right guys, let's see what happens here with the old quarter pitch conversion. It's been awesome, guys. Gonna have to use my bad arm. People, guys. Let's see if it barber chairs or not, guys. Man, the speed on this thing is just awesome. Why not take this dandy while I'm right here, guys? Alright, so we got to be ready for a barber chair any given moment here, and to be able to protect yourself. Let's switch over. Guys, poplar, pull a poplar. I've already found out. I know I've only been doing this for a couple months. Will barber chair, right in your face. So. Guys, I'm gonna try to be smart here and maybe hit this from the other side, because if it were the barber chair, it looks like it would shoot that way. I'm gonna be ready to move. Only downfall about SRT, now could have an alpine butterfly set up here. I gotta go retrieve my line, so it's the only downfall if you ask me, guys. Dangerous to do that cut. Beautiful. Alright guys, not too bad. I was afraid of barber chair and kicked back at me ever so slightly there, but it worked out. Alright guys, this thing is kicking butt. I think we're gonna call it for the day. Keep eyeing this one here up. Maybe we'll send it. We'll see, guys. While I'm here, moments. So it doesn't come back at you. It's just awesome with this thing. So awesome. Help myself. And just getting in there to clean up is much better with this new bar and chain setup too. This is definitely better. Now I figured out what this hook was for. How about that?
Rise up, touching clouds above. bodies below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
A lot of cleaning up to do.
Pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Inside each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, nature's
Here's a shot of what we did so far on the tulip tree today. Alright guys, back in here. We still have a lot of cleanup to do. Got up in the tree and I haven't even looked back in the footage. I just know from the way it was cutting that this freaking thing, this setup is awesome. This 1/4 inch pitch conversion is well worth the money. It even has me wanting to get one for this 200T. For now, I'm going to put this this Stihl bar and chain setup on it that came with this one on this. Didn't really like this organ bar and chain setup. It does okay. Wasn't a big fan of it, so we're going to go ahead and switch over to that at some point here. But back to this this Ripsaw 1/4 inch pitch conversion kit. It was 100% just. I didn't want to stop cutting out there. I was pressed for time, and I just kept doing load after load with the tractor. I was like, let's get this done while I can, and I was just having so much fun cutting with it. I mean, zoop, 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 right through it. What a difference. I am 100% going to be looking for the 14-inch version for this. So when I get a little bit bigger jobs, even for some big portions on this tulip poplar out here, I could definitely use a 14-inch bar. So that's the goal, to set this 200T Cologne up with a 14-inch bar on a 1/4 inch pitch conversion. And these will be my two go-to saws, and then I'll have the other two for backup. But this was absolutely ripping. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm going to do the best I can to get videos out here in the future for you guys, give or take on how busy I get as we hit into the off season. And it cools down a little bit. The dyno is definitely coming back out, so look for videos for the dyno to come back out. And I plan on putting some of these smaller limbing saws on there and tinkering around, especially with the two Neotechs that I have. I'm actually going to try and port one and see if they can be modded, if there is a clutch bell out there that could possibly fit them, to swap then the 1/4 inch pitch chain and bar swap. That'd be pretty cool. But I'm definitely going to play around with those saws a little bit, especially now that I have enough in my arsenal to where I don't have to worry if I got one tore apart, if I have to go running and go do a job. But thanks for watching Digging Deep, guys. Thanks for following along. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, guys, and we'll see you next time.